Hey guys, Mahmoud Rubel here, and in this video I'm going to review Apphive. Apphive lets you create fully interactive mobile apps using an advanced code-free Android and iOS app builder. Apphive is a mobile no-code builder that lets you build, publish and manage apps on the App Store and Google Play. With Apphive, you can develop apps with interactive features and complex navigation workflows without any coding. Choose a built-in template that suits your needs and drag and drop elements until you are satisfied with the site's functionality. You will be able to view the changes on a project in real time on the F5 render and make edits until you are pleased with the final outcome. After that, just publish your application in the Play Store and App Store to share it with thousands of customers. Apphive gives you everything you need to create amazing designs by placing images, icons, videos, and maps in the intuitive editor. Change the font, color, style, or graphic elements so that it aligns with your brand's look and feel. You can use functions to modify each element and easily integrate new features to make your app more interactive. Plus, you will be able to get set up user accounts and enable password logins from providers like Facebook and Gmail, creating a better user experience. Thanks to F5 auto scaling infrastructure, you can have unlimited user traffic, volume, and data storage for your mobile app. Test experimental changes against your development builds, then go live in just few clicks. You will also be able to revert your app back to any point in history and revise it until it is perfect. Plus, F5 is packed with API integrations, so you can incorporate tons of different design options and third-party payment gateways like Stripe and OpenPay. Best of all, F5 gives you everything you need to add dynamic features like GPS, calendars, and notification to your apps. And if you need an extra boost, you can watch support videos on YouTube to get the most out of the F5 platform. Speaking of helping hand, you will also able to select team members as co-editors and allow them to make changes too. When you don't know how to code, developing your own mobile apps feels like a pipe dream. Luckily, Apphive lets you create apps packed with tons of features that drive user engagement without writing a single line of code. Build cooler apps. So get lifetime access to F5 today. Link in the description below. So check it out. Thank you so much for watching the video.